Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles and today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I'm super excited to record this video for you all. If you've been following my channel, then you know recently I've done a few videos regarding the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's the new iPhone that came out and I'm super excited about this phone. I did an unboxing, I did a review video, and I also did a what's on my iPhone. So if you are interested in any of those videos, I'll go ahead and include the link in the bottom of this video in the description bar. So today this video is sponsored. It is sponsored by a company by the name of Gviewin or Gviewin. I apologize, I'm not sure of the correct pronunciation, but I will go ahead and link the name across the screen. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. If you are interested, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed and let's get right into the video. So like I mentioned, I was sent phone cases. I don't know if I told you all yet or not, but I was sent phone cases by this company. I do want to touch on a few things. When I do reviews, I highlight things that stick out to me. I want to make sure that you all have a good idea of how working with this company, would go, and also how their products are. So I want to start with customer service and say that when I was sent these products, customer service was amazing. I was contacted via email, and typically when working with companies, there could be a huge lag. If you ask someone a question, whether it's the owner or customer service, it could be maybe, a few days to a week. Sometimes you don't receive a response back, but I can let you know every time I send a response back to this company, I received a response almost immediately. It wasn't like I send it and then I get a response like that second, but I can say that it was pretty quick. It was never, days waiting or weeks waiting or anything like that. So customer service is amazing. Also, the shipping was extremely fast. The package came through Amazon, Amazon Prime. And like I said, it was super fast. I was projected to receive the estimated delivery date was supposed to be Thursday, which was yesterday, but I actually received it, I believe, on Tuesday or Wednesday. So it was like 1 to 2 days shipping. So that was fantastic. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and open the box. It did come in a box like this. It has the Amazon Prime tape on it. And I'm really excited. I do love cell phone cases. Who doesn't, right? I like to dress up my phone. I've been wearing a clear case that I got from Five Below, just because typically I just wear clear cases, but I am very excited to see what these cases look like, because I think it's time for a change. I think it's time for me to try some new things with my cell phone as far as accessorizing it. Now, I was sent 4 cases. I'm going to go ahead and pull up some more information regarding the cases so that I can talk to you all about that while we're looking at the cases. But when you open it up, this is what it looks like. There should be 4 boxes in here. And I like the fact that they all come in their own individual box and that they're not just like thrown inside of the box. And I'm sure you all know what I'm talking about. Sometimes, depending on the company that you go with, this also came there. And this is just like, this is like a receipt that gives you a breakdown of everything that's included. So I have a iPhone 11 Pro Max case. It's a clear flower design, soft and flexible. And actually they all say, I think they all say the same design, but I'm thinking that they're different. It does say shockproof, transparent, bumper protect. So we're going to take a look at them. But like I was saying, I'm sure a lot of you can relate to just receiving different items in the mail and them just being like thrown into the box without any protection or any wrapping or anything, not even a business card or a receipt from the company. So the fact that the receipt is actually in the box and the fact that all of the cases came individually packaged is definitely a plus in my book. So thank you again for sending these cases. So let's go ahead and open the first case and see what it looks like. Oh, wow. This looks so pretty. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open the first case. And it's also wrapped in like a plastic protector, which is also really good. I think this has been the best case wrapping that I've ever received. Like I said, it was a shocker to me to open that box and see all of the cases individually wrapped. And then you open the box and then you see you know, you see the clear packaging. I don't know. I really, really like that. Also, when you open it up, it's like a card that comes included. So that's really cool as well. And this is the spelling of the company's name. And this is the card that was sent. So it's like Gviewin or Gviewin. I really don't want to mispronounce the name. So that's why I'm going to put it across the screen like I mentioned. But I just want to show you what the card looks like. And it says on the back, your happiness deserves to be shared. That's really, really nice. That really put a smile on my face. And then I don't know what this is, but let's go ahead and see. So this is a letter that comes with the cases as well. And I'm going to read the letter. I believe this is what everyone will receive. I can see the first sentence is going to say, we are so thankful you purchased our original Gviewin product. So this leads me to believe that a lot of, or that, you know, if you purchase, so their customers are sent these letters. So this is really, really cool. So let me go ahead and read it. We are a small company in the big world of Amazon retailers and appreciate your business immensely. As we continue to grow, our commitment to you as a customer will remain the same. We will always do our best to exceed your expectations and bring you unique, durable, and quality products. If you are happy with your product, please share your thoughts with us. Each encouragement gives our little startup a significant boost in this highly competitive market. And it also encourages each of us to continue working towards our goal of creating the best products on the market. It's a rocky road as a new startup, and we honestly couldn't do this without you. We have a dream that our products will always be with you and share every beautiful moment of your life. Thank you so much. The best day is today, so enjoy it. The Gviewin team, support at Gviewin. The Gviewin team, support at Gviewin.com. That is so sweet. This definitely, I can tell you, I've never opened a cell phone case with all of this. So honestly, so far I can say that I am definitely kind of blown back a little bit. Like, this was not expected. It's little things like that can really have a company stick out from other companies. And so I appreciate that. Also in the box, you receive this. And this is, I believe, like a little keychain that you can connect to the phone. And so this is how this looks. I'm pretty sure this is what this is, but I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the case to just make sure. So let's go ahead and look at the case. So this is what the case looks like. The case is really, really pretty. It's a beautiful print. Now, the company did give me an option of what case I wanted to review. And so I originally chose this case, and that's why I thought that I was going to get just one case. But I'm so thankful that I received 4. This is a really, really beautiful print. I just think it's kind of like, I want to say it's kind of giving me spring and summer vibes, but it also kind of gives me fall vibes based on like the blue leaves and things like that. And so I'm going to be wearing this case pretty much all the time. I'm not a person that just, you know how some people are just like, I have to be in the season to wear a certain color. Not me. If I like it, then I'm going to wear it. So this is how the case looks on the phone. The quality of the case is really, really well. You can see around the edges, it has like that protective bumper, which I always look for in a case. And then the buttons on the side are so easy to press. Sometimes when you get cases, the buttons are not aligned just right, and they're kind of hard when you press in, but I can tell you these buttons are not hard at all. I'm going to go ahead and take the case off just so you can kind of see up close how good of a quality this is. You can kind of see the buttons on the side. And let me also go ahead and pull out my notes just so that I make sure I'm not missing anything, because I want you to know as much as you can about these cases. Let's see how it feels. It feels pretty good. It's not really flimsy, which I love. It's not like I don't want to say it's not a hard case by any means, but it's not flimsy. You know, sometimes you can get cases that literally just like bend too much and you're like, how is this going to protect my phone? So I can tell you that it's not like a flimsy case. It's definitely made with quality. It also is compatible with wireless charging. So sometimes when you have a case on your phone, depending on the materials that the case is made out of, it can prohibit you or kind of stop you or get in the way of you wireless. It can get in the way of your wireless charging. So this case is not going to do that. And yeah, this is how it looks. It looks really, really nice. This looks really nice. The second case came packaged the exact same way, still with the letter, still with really, really good packaging, and also with a card and the keychain. And I believe this is for the phone. Let me just see where this would go. I don't know. I think you can connect it like right here. It has like 2 small holes. So I think you would just like twist it up pretty good and stick it through one hole, pull it through the other, and connect this. But this is how the second case looks. Really, really pretty. It's like a flower print. It's pink, which is my favorite color. So this is beautiful. So this is what the case looks like on. It's still made the same way, except a different design as the first case. And it came packaged like I showed you all the same way. So this case is definitely beautiful as well. I'm gonna show you what it looks like up to my ear. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the next case. Case came the same, same way as the other 2 cases. Still packaged very nicely. And this one is, oh, this one is really pretty as well. I love the fact that the designs are really detailed. I really love that. I wish you all could feel how sturdy this feels. Like it feels really, really sturdy, and it looks beautiful at the same time. So this is what this case looks like. Really pretty as well. This is how it looks on your ear. And it does come with the keychain as well, and the letter and the card. So it's really, really nice. It's very consistent. I love that. And then let's go ahead and open the last case. All these cases are gorgeous. Comes packaged the same. And this one is like white, yellow, and black. Oh, it's pretty as well. I'm going to rate the cases at the end of the video as well, so make sure that you stay tuned. But this is what this case looks like on. I got the silver iPhone 11 just because I felt like it would look really, really nice with any case that I decided to go with. Even if I decided to just stick with clear, it looks really nice. But I love the fact that these cases, it doesn't feel like it's overpowering the phone. Like I don't like any, I don't want to say I don't like, but typically I try to just get clear cases because I want to be able to see the color that I purchased. I love the fact that none of these designs really hides that. It allows whatever color you decided to go with still be like the star of the show, still shine through. However, it still provides some glam, a little bit of glam that doesn't overpower the color like I mentioned. So I really, really like that. And this is how this case looks. Looks really, really good. So pretty much, if I had to rate this company, I do my ratings as an overall review. I don't just rate like specific areas. So I'm going to rate the customer service, the shipping, also the quality and the design of the cases. If I had to rate this company out of 5, no lie, I would definitely give this company a 5. Why? Because they have great communication, really fast shipping, letters, and the card that came with the each and every individual case was a very pleasant surprise. And so I love working with this company. I love the products that they sent out. I think they're made with great quality. I think the designs are very unique. And I encourage you all to check out the link in the bottom of the description bar in this video. That way you can take a look at all the cases that they offer and grab you a case for your phone. I do want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.